Hi, it's Adam Zollinger from LearnBe, and I am here to talk to you today about my newest course, which is in partnership with Scott Bomberger. And Scott has been a fixture on the internet in the ArchViz community for a long time. I've seen him around the internet, and specifically his tutorials about non-photorealistic rendering and techniques, or NPR techniques, for doing architectural visualization. So that's what his course is about. He's put that all together in this course for you. It's a lot of information about taking your SketchUp model to kind of a presentation level using Photoshop, and it gives you an overall feel that's very artistic looking, very conceptual looking. This is a great opportunity for you to glean information from Scott, who's been in the industry for a long time as a professional, and to learn this awesome technique that's great for conceptual renderings if you want something that is watercolor in nature.